and Milgan the chicken hawk waged war with Niaju the whale. Wagon aimed his poison spear at Niaju, but each time Niaju dodged the weapon. Crow's nephew Milgan the chicken hawk said, "Give me the spear. Let me have a go." "No, I'll get him," said Wagon, and threw the poison spear. But after many times, he failed. At last, Milgan the chicken hawk seized the spear and made a mighty stroke which caught Niaju the whale on the back of his head. Out gushed a rush of blood and water. Niaju the whale lashed around and around in agony and fury, spouting out water. Huge waves formed, rising higher and higher. Niaju the whale was determined to drown his enemies on the land. The sea rose, creating a tsunami, and flooded the land in all directions, all the way to the Great Dividing Range in the west, north to the Diagula Range, south to Tamarine Mountains, and cutting off portions of the mainland, and so forming the islands of Moreton Bay. The blowhole on the back of Niaju where he was speared breathed out his calling to his descendants, initiating the great migration of whales through Brisbane Bay of Islands, where they meet every year. The whale Niaju lies at the end of the Brisbane River, and you can still see his shape in the landscape near the port of Brisbane to this day.